Before we even moved to the Vail Valley, my wife and I, you hear about businesses being started on the back of a napkin. Well, this practice actually was started on the back of a napkin in a Mexican restaurant in North Carolina. And we talked mostly about what we want to look like, the mission, the values of the practice. And our mission statement from that day, before we even purchased the space or equipped it, was to create trusting friendships with our patients and inspire them to a lifetime of healthy, beautiful smiles. So there's a lot of power words in there: trust, friendship. And I think that friendship is something that a lot of dental consultants, business consultants would say, don't do that. That's a medical, a doctor-patient relationship needs to be a doctor-patient relationship. Well, that's not how I perceive it as a patient when I am a patient. And so I think the patients that I most enjoy being around are usually the ones who come in who are a little bit skeptical. Maybe they've been oversold on dentistry somewhere else and they're not sure that they need it. And to build that trusting friendship with a patient, and even more importantly, a whole family of patients, and knowing that what comes out of my mouth is me being their trusted advisor, saying, you can do this, but you don't have to do this. There's options A, B, and C. And sometimes one of the options is no treatment, but there are risks to no treatment sometimes. And so just having that trusted friendship, it comes from all walks of life around here, from the retiree to the snowboarder who literally is going to live here for 3 months, and everywhere in between. But really, I would say the patient that I enjoy the most is the one, as when I walk in the room with a white coat, they kind of got that skeptical look, like, what's he going to tell me? And just knowing that I care about them as a person first, and that my expertise is dental health, and I can provide them some resources there. Now, I have trusted advisors in other realms, like a financial planner. That's not something I'm an expert in. And I can't take advice for somebody that I don't know, like, and trust. And so for me to have somebody who, when you see a review come in and says, I hated going to the dentist. I've been to several dentists in the area or across the country, and this is the first time I've felt at home. That's the patient I like the most.